Hi and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll review the Builderall 4.0. So for those of you who don't know what Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing tool like ClickFunnels or Aweber, but with Builderall, you get more tools, more features, and more functions. Alright, so let's dive into the video. The most complete and powerful digital marketing platform in the world is now free, because right now they have a free version. Even with the free version, you can get access to all these tools and features. Alright, so this is Eric Sagado, who is the CEO and the founder. You have access to Cheetah website builder, and I have tutorials on that. Alright, so on my channel, you click on the playlist, click on the view full list. Alright, so these tutorials will show you how to use the Cheetah builder, or like how to use the Builderall itself from scratch. Okay, so if you get to know how to use this, the new features will be easier for you to use, because I show you how to do everything from scratch. Alright, so let's go back. Alright. Alright, so let's move on. We believe in underpricing and over-delivering, and they are right. Right now you have a free plan, all these features under your belt. Okay, this is for beginners. I will not advise you to dwell on this for long, because if you are doing affiliate marketing, trust me, you need a domain and you need a website, so companies will take you serious. Okay, so under the free version you have 0 domain. So this is what I'm talking about. You cannot connect a domain. You have 500 megabytes in terms of storage, which is okay, but trust me, with time you get over it. And you have 200 megabytes for video. 200 megabytes for video, you know, it's not enough. Okay, that's if you're gonna embed videos on your website and stuff like that. Alright, so unlimited subscribers, which is good, but you have the Builderall ad all over on your site or on your landing page, and I don't think that's cool, and that's not professional if you want companies to take you serious. Because when you apply for affiliate marketing, for instance, they will come on your site and they will check, and if they realize that you have Builderall ad and stuff like that, it's not that cool. But let's say if you're running ClickBank program with that, you don't really need a website. But trust me, some of these ClickBank programs now, they are checking. So test the waters, use it, and if you want to take it serious, move on to the premium plan. All right, and the premium plan is $69.90. From October 1st to 31st is $69.90, but from November 1st the price will change to the original price, which is $99.90, and because they are launching it for the first time and they want people to get on board. But from November 1st the price will change to the original price, which is $99.90. Compared to ClickFunnels and Kartra and stuff like that, this is the best, man. I'll show you what I mean. ClickFunnels starts from $97 a month. You have access to 20 funnels, 100 pages, and domains. You can connect only 3 domains. Kartra is $99 a month. You have 2,500 leads, 1 custom domain, and 15,000 emails. Alright, so moving on. The Funnel Club. So the difference between the premium and the funnel club is $99.90, but the first month you need to pay $199.90, which is almost $200. So a difference of $130. You're gonna get access to everything. Okay, the purpose is to save you much time. Okay, so everything is ready for you. Just upload, edit, and you are ready to go. Trust me, and you can sell whatever you want to sell out of it, because this gives you access to agency. And with this, you don't need to apply for the Builderall affiliate program. Everything is included already. Alright, so special Builderall premium affiliate automatic approval. Alright, so with this, you have to apply. If you buy this month, October 2020, you're gonna pay $69.90 as long as you remain on the plan. And please, if you want it, buy it now. I'll put the link in the description below. Alright. With the affiliate commission as it is already, you earn 100% commission on your first payment and 30% recurring commission, and you make commission on your second tier. And it's in their policy that you're not supposed to be telling people and displaying how much you are making and all that, but still people are doing it, and people should be careful, and I'll show you what I mean. distorting earnings. Affiliates must not use promotional content showing the earnings of other affiliates or their own. Okay, affiliates can provide an estimate of their earnings but not the exact amount they earn, nor exactly how much they earn residually. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe.